Tired of your Discord status just saying online? Learn how to set a custom status with emoji and timer in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through each step, accessing the status menu, typing your message, adding an emoji, and setting a clear after timer. First, go ahead and open Discord on your PC. Then, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. From the menu that appears, click the status bubble beside your profile picture. Now, type your custom message, up to 128 characters, like studying. If you want, click the emoji icon to add a custom emoji. Then choose an emoji, such as the open book emoji. Next, decide how long the status should last using the Clear After dropdown. For example, select 4 hours to have it clear automatically. Finally, click Save to apply your custom status. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.